Hey guys, I'm Yash and welcome back to another COC video. So I actually unlocked the lightning spell and the wizard and I'm really excited to use them all in the battle. So let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you I unlocked my wizard too. So let's attack. Oh, this is nice. It has too much gold and elixir and is easy to defeat. Okay. Oh, sorry. So, 10 giants, some archers. Okay. They will do the work. Well, let's try the lightning spell too. Here. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, some wizards here. Yeah, two here. Okay. The town hall's down and oh, wallbuster. Okay, yes. So that's it for now. See you guys next time.